Hi everyone, back again, and yeah, sorry it's been so long that it's been a last review. It's probably been about a month now, but got no excuses, so yeah, I'm just going to crack on with this one. So what have I got for you today? What I'm going to do, Ass in the Tub, Armageddon. Now I've had this on my shelf for a while, and I thought, I'll get this done. Now, as you can see, Jim isn't with me, but it's middle of the day. Pretty nice weather, but he's not about at the moment, but we should be getting a review done this weekend, so look out for another one in the next couple of days. Now I'm possibly doing Widow No Survivor next time for that one, so look out for that. So Ass in the Tub Armageddon. Yeah, this is a 10 triple plus. You can get it from our website, hotsauceemporium.co.uk. I haven't tried this one before, so I have no idea what it'd be like, but from the ingredients we have habanero peppers, African oleoresin, which is chili extract, and from the colour of it, it's probably got a damn lot of it, especially if it's a triple plus. Anyway, Scotch bonnet peppers as well, salt, onion, vegetable oil, acetic acid, garlic, xanthan gum, thickener. So yeah, very familiar ingredients. Not that I'm looking forward to doing it, but hey, here we go. But they say it might sound like we're bragging, but really we're just giving advance notice that it's going to burn the way in, and well, you get the picture. It's a moving experience. So again, with a security seal, I don't mess with these things. People who say that I fake my videos, or you get them occasionally, I don't. For one, I don't. Two, there wouldn't be any point, because that's not what I'm on here for. So the colour, and from the looks of it, the textures, your generic kind of tomato soups kind of colour. And it's not going to pop on me. It's got no plastic doobie on the top of it, but smell, red habaneros, extract in there too. It has that almost metallic-y kind of flavor, well, smell and taste to it. It doesn't smell as lethal as I thought it would do, but the trusty spoon. Now, tablespoon, dessert spoon, this is, I don't know, it's a big spoon, so either way it's not the best of ideas, but so consistency, as I thought, extremely smooth, and this is a stupidly big spoon. So you never know. Ooh, okay, so I've heated that one. Make sure I don't spit it. Hands aren't shaky today. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Well, you can taste the habanero, you can taste the Scotch bonnet, but that extract in there is it's giving me the hiccups. It doesn't usually give me the hiccups, but I haven't had anything really hot in a while, so taste that kind of, excuse me, that extract in there. It's a good mix of extract burns and the chili burns though. I'm not a fan of that extract flavour. I think the hiccups have stopped now. But still, I've got that flavour, that, as I say, almost metallic-y kind of flavour to the extract. You can, you know, whatever content you put it in the sauce, you can still taste it. With the burn, starts off on the lips, moves to the cheeks, and it kind of numbs the back of the throat almost. And the aftertaste is a little bit habanero-ish. Scotch bonnet, it's moving to the stomach. You feel that kicking in. And weirdly enough, my teeth feel like they want to pop out. I know it's an odd thing to say, but it does feel like my teeth are going to pop out. Definitely, if you're going to use that in a food, I'd only use a few drops, but definitely don't do a tablespoonful. Now the back of my throat is starting to burn. My lips, I've got the endorphin rush kicking in. People react differently to that, but I get the handshakes, pins and needles in your hands. Head feels lighter, a bit spaced out almost. But now that habanero taste is going and the Scotch bonnet taste is going, it's left with that extractive flavour. Probably why I'd recommend it in small amounts, just to pick up the heat of your curry or your chilli or something, you know. But it has got that chilli flavour. Okay, well the heat now, I'm guessing what, we're on the 7-8 minute mark. It's dying down, it's sitting in the stomach now. It's burning up a bit. It's left to kind of my lips tingling, the nose running, drooling. Had me hiccup in it at the beginning too, which is probably the second time in a fair few reviews that I've done that I've ever hiccuped. But hey ho, there you go. But yeah, please visit Hot Sauce Emporium. Yeah, a lot more sauces, especially get that one online, $7.95. Pretty sweet as well. Definitely one for the shelf. I mean, if you've got friends who think they want to try the hot stuff and they think they can handle it, it'd be one of those sauces where you say, have a bit of this. And it will test anyone, but definitely not good for the stomach. I think a nice pint of milk after this will do me some good. But yeah, it's not getting much hotter. Well, it's not getting any hotter. It peaked a couple of minutes ago. The flavour's just lingering now. Kind of oniony and yeah, it's getting the nose running. I'm glad I got some tissue paper this time. Anyway. Right, well, yeah. That'll be enough for me. As I said, look out for another review this weekend. We'll have one more sauce. We've got a couple of new ones lined up, which I'll be revealing. One from Heartbreaking Dawns, they got a new one we've got in, and Mustard Gas, which is new for us anyway. But yeah, anyway, that's enough from me. Yeah. Ass in the tub, Armageddon. The hot sauce to end all. It's bloody hot. Catches.